So I don't typically like to talk much on these videos, but I did want to talk about this driveline that I got from Knoxville Driveline. Extremely professional. Steve there was even telling me about some places to find new projects. I mean, I'm not putting a ton of torque down to the ground or have a million horsepower in the truck, but they built it very stout. I mean, the quality of the driveline is pretty amazing. The process is pretty easy. I mean, they have a sheet that you can download from their website and fill it out, email that over to them, and it's as simple as that. So again, I typically don't go over all of that, but I just wanted to talk about the quality and professionalism of Knoxville Driveline.